This 2008 Jayco Seneca HD 35GS is a Class C RV. It is located in Avondale, Arizona, 85323 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Avondale. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2008 Jayco Seneca HD 35GS is built on a Chevy chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.